Mirplus, light up your life, light up your beauty. The factory of Mirplus located in Guangdong, Foshan. This is one of our assembling workshops. Our markets are mainly the United States and European countries. Every year, we export to all over the world. The advantage of our company is we focus on the high quality of mirrors which meets the needs of hotel projects and the B2C customers. Here are the orders for the lighting mirror cabinets for hotel projects which are under production. These are part of our designs. During the past few years, our number one priority has always been customer service and customer satisfaction. We have done a lot to raise quality level and striving to establish a sound quality management and guarantee system. Furthermore, our company has attained ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and won the National High-Tech Enterprise Honorary title. Most of our products pass UL, ETL, CE, ROHS, SAA, etc. certification. Customers can choose products from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We have laboratory and tools to the product testing and meet the quality satisfaction. All of our products must be 100% tested to ensure the functional reliability, security, and durability before shipment. We have glass workshop to proceed the glass processing at our factory. Then we can ensure the materials are inspected before the delivery. We also have QC department to inspect the mirrors from materials to the finished product. We are looking forward to cooperating with you for ODM or OEM in providing satisfactory products. Mirplus, your best choice for offering all kinds of LED mirrors and lighting mirror cabinets. Our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, etc. Welcome to contact us for more details. Thank you.